Hi everybody, welcome to my YouTube. I'm Jen. Today I'm going to do a cute little design team art journal page in my little junk journal here. I'm going to use the Grunge Patina paper by the Pretty Papers by Craftbox, or buy Pretty Papers from Craftbox. I will link the information below. I wasn't quite sure what I wanted to do here other than I love this paper and I thought these butterflies looked great with the paper. So first thing I did was attach the paper to my journal using gel medium, and then I put some clear gesso on top only because I wasn't sure what I was going to do, if it included different paints or mediums at all, so I wanted to make sure my paper was protected. And then I decided I really like this washi tape on top, so I put it on top, and here I'm burnishing it, basically just rubbing it in so that it's a little more translucent. It's semi-translucent washi tape, but I really like the effect that it gave. And then I think that this will actually look really good with some stamping, some words. So I'm going to take my word stamp and some black ink. So this is a project for the Craftbox design team. So definitely I'll link my videos for that as well. But Craftbox does send me stuff to make the design team projects for them. This I used my own stuff, but that's just because I wanted to make another project. So I'm also thinking what to do. I don't know what to put on this. I just don't know. So I'm trying to figure out at the same time that I'm doing this what to do. So I'm thinking some white might look good, some white words, and maybe some splashes. So let's do that. Oh, that looks really good. I really like this effect. And I am using Dr. P.H. Martin's Bleed Proof White. It's not technically a watercolor, but it's a watercolor product because you can put it on top of your watercolor and it won't bleed. So I decided to use that just because I like how vibrant it is. I actually use it in a lot of my projects. And then I just want to do some circles here, so I've got different sizes. And now I'm going to do some splatter, so let me get some water and splatter it up. I do want the splatters to dry a little bit, so we'll let that dry, and then I'm thinking some of these should have this splatter effect. So as I'm drying it, I'm gonna take this little air, I don't know what it's called, little air puff thingy, and make it splatter just a little bit, just for a little added texture in the background. I really like how pretty this is and how vibrant, but I'm still not sure what to put on top. So I got some things from a Craftbox grab bag, thinking that they did like a warehouse destash. So they just threw a bunch of stuff in a box. And I bought 3 of them, and this film strip was in there, and I absolutely love this film strip, and I didn't know what I was going to use it for, so I think it's perfect for this. And then this little guy was in there too, so I'm going to take this little guy. Where should I put him? Yeah, I'm going to put him over on this side since he's looking that direction. This is my vintage ephemera, what's it, big book of journaling from Craftbox. So I'm going to see if there's a couple elements in here that will help us out. This little blue tag matches, the color looks really good with it, so let's see if we can use this after I get it fussy cut a little bit. Maybe behind the guy. Oh, that looks good. I think it blends in a little too much though. Yeah, I'm not going to use, we'll see. What else can we use? Well, let's use this Enjoy Life's Journey. We'll get that fussy cut a little bit. I do have this video sped up a little bit, so hopefully it's not too long for you. Not sure how long it will end up being, but it's just a cute little guy. So I found these little stickers that were clocks, and the first one I found was maybe a little too big, but I really liked it. So I'm going to try using these two little ones, and then I also found some chipboard gears. Yeah, gears. Cogs. That I'm going to also see if I can put on here. I know I really like these butterflies, and I typically do things in 3. So I have these 3 butterflies sitting here. We'll see if those fit. Let's trim this just a little bit to make it fit on that left side a little better. It says Enjoy Life's Journey. Seems pretty fitting. This seems pretty out there page. I'll trim up this one too. Burnish it up just a little bit so you can see some of the colors in the background. I'll put this dude here. Try the tag. Nope, no tag. Okay, dude's gonna go here. These butterflies are gigantic compared to him, so we'll just have him be the butterfly tamer. Put some random cogs, just cause why not? And these gorgeous 3 butterflies. I do like it in 3. Oh, this looks big. I love how big it is, but I don't know if this 3rd one will fit. Nope. So there you have it. That is my Craftbox Enjoy Life's Journey collection using the Grunge Patina Pretty Papers and the Big Book of Journaling and a bunch of other stuff. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Thanks for watching.